Okay, I would say agree and disagree, because essentially boosted post is an advertisement. And as you know, if you boost a post right now, you can actually do a lot more things. Although it is actually an engagement post, but you can still choose to go for, like you have certain optimization features or options available. You can optimize for messages. You can optimize for, like lead. You can optimize for, different actions, video views, page likes, like not page like, post likes and all that. So yeah, and you have to understand all these are ads, actually, Meta ads, Facebook ads. So boosted post is a certain type of ads, and Facebook ads are Facebook ads. So boosted posts essentially are Facebook ads. But it's different from things that you can do in the ads manager. Boosted posts has some certain features and all that, but it's not as robust and as complete as the features that we can find in ads manager. Certain features you can do, certain things you can't do. You can only do it in ads manager. So yeah, so if you really want to maximize, like use the maximum, all the features available in Facebook advertising, I would really recommend to go into the ads manager, because that gives you more features. But of course, a lot of people would say that it's too complicated. I'd rather go by Boost. It's getting me the result I want. It's already doing me good. By all means, if that's already happening to you, by all means. But what I'm actually trying to say here is boosted posts are Facebook ads, but Facebook ads has got more things in the boosted post. I mean, in the ads manager, so more features in there, more tools in there that you can do a lot more things as compared to a simple boost on the page. But they are same. It's just that in the ads manager will be different. So yeah, so that's why I always recommend, if you want to do it right, learn how to do it. But having said that, this is really what I want to say. If you are already getting results and you're happy with it, even with boosted posts, keep doing it. Yeah, but even boosted posts appears in the ads manager. If you have boosted a post before, you do have an ads manager, and inside there, it is also it has all the numbers and features and all that. So yeah, if you go in, you can actually pull out all the data and metrics and analyze the campaign or whatever you want. So if you are running ads, even a boosted post, and you want to find out, how can I actually do more with ads manager, or you want to find out, okay, I'm already feeling pretty good because I'm getting results that I want in a way. I'm pretty happy with the cost and everything, but I want to know if I am able to take it to the next level, if there's anything I can do differently to get different outcome for my Facebook ads campaign. If that's what you're looking for, scan this QR code. This would take you to my Fiverr gig, where I would actually spend 13 minutes with you to review your campaign performance. So what I'll do is, even it's a boosted post or in ads manager, what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to build a dashboard for you. So I'm going to line up all the metrics that you need to track in sequence, in the structured way. And after that, once it's built, it's actually a dashboard, and I'll save it in your ads manager. And then after that, I'm going to analyze for you. As I do it, I will share with you how do I analyze. I would teach you how to analyze it yourself. And then after that, as we are analyzing the campaign, I would draw some hypothesis, and I would actually build a plan for you about, like, okay, now these are the 1, 2, 3 things that you can try to do in the coming 2 to 3 weeks. Hopefully, it can actually help you take your campaign performance to the next level. So whether you are boosting a post, you're running ads in the ads manager, and you're kind of like trying to figure out what else can you do to take the campaign to the next level, scan this QR code, and I look forward to work with you.